New тачка?
Yeah, it's burnt, but it starts.
Ну давай, show me. This is Golf R. It's been burned, then burned again. Naturally, we decided it was worth saving. 297 horsepower, 4-wheel drive, manual gearbox, which all would be excellent news if the clutch actually worked. I try to drive, but it just goes forward. Okay. Back to pushing. Another Copart rescue, time to strip it down and see what the fire left behind.
No, Rita stated if wires touch but they are disconnected, it will not set on fire, blade, car now.
What will happen? I start, yes?
Yes, you go. Go fast.
I drive.
You drive, go fast.
The next day started with modifying cheap eBay tools. An internal bearing puller is the ideal tool for the task. Been soaking WD-40 overnight, let's see if they cooperate today. And we were able to release the stock wipers. Voila. Wiring harness covered in plastic. Oh shit. Yeah, this is very easy job for later. Before we go any further, it's better to disconnect the battery right now, so this car wouldn't surprise us again. On this side, everything seems to be looking good. But these ones ain't looking so fine though. Yeah, cables burned away. To be sure the wiring harness isn't hiding any issues, we will strip back the protective tape and do a full visual inspection of every cable for cracks, burns or damage. Finished opening cables. They seem to be really good. I don't see no visible damage. Just only one cable is cut. Need to reglue it together. No part numbers visible. Very fun. To replacement. Oh, I don't want to replace the loom. But if I must, what can you do? For now, verdict. I need to find the loom code for this one that goes inside the car. I need to replace it, at least this part. And this hose goes to... And guess what? I didn't find anything obvious, but we're still going. First, we're checking the underside to see what problems might be hiding from us. So while pushing the car onto the ramp, a small accident happened and the door decided to bend the wrong way. Yeah. But for us, nothing here is unfixable. Sometimes it just takes few light taps by the hand to sort out even a bent door. Underneath the car, everything looks about as normally rusted as expected, just a slight visual oil leak from the engine sump. What's now?
Good job, man. Okay.
Quick update on the Golf, cut it all the lambda zones. Because they was cooked, definitely melted, they don't look nice. Got another sockets, so let's try to adapt them to our lambda zones. And yeah, I think it will be running great. And this is how you do 2 lambda zones. They are completed. We just add magical tape. First I want to start with replacing engine wiring harness. Yes, so let's do that quick right now. Cable wiring harness for the engine is completed. Everything is connected in this area also, this end also, but we only left this part of the engine because I need to go from the bottom of the car to reach the sockets and connect them. Let's install the cover for the ECU. We will not need this part anymore. I cleaned up all the engine bay using some towels and brake cleaner. Finally, I can start rebuilding this car and not only braking. Yes, I want to start with installing used slave master cylinder for the clutch cylinder back into the place. Let's hope it's working and I put it in the right way. If you want to know why the clutch was not working, it's because of this. New one looks like this. So let's now try to install it back to the car. It's a little bit hard job, it's complicated. We'll need to put a new heat shield. This is not good. Main concern is that we don't want this car catching fire again. Let's check if this thing is fireproof. A quick fire test showed us that this material is not heat resistant. After some thinking, change of plan, I will not put this inside the engine bay. I think it's too dangerous. Let's put valve for the turbo. It's doing something, activating for the pressure. I don't exactly know what it does, but it's for the turbo. Let's install new coolant reservoir. Our coolant cap is burned up, so let's remove the tape and let me replace the wires for that. Voila! Brand new. Just need to insert the plastic. Perfect. Starting fixing damage for the leaks. We'll have to check if these connections are strong enough. Pipes seem to be finished. Now let's try to put in this part. So yes, let's try inserting it correct way only. Let's finish placing the wiring harness to the place and start covering from the top. Опа! Опа! After replacing clutch master cylinder, the system still needs a proper bleed, because at the moment the clutch pedal feels more decorative than functional. Are you ready, kids? Golf running with not every plug connected. But we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 checks, 8 if you count everything. Oh, one is easy to remove, it's the driver, you see? Driver needs to be removed. But yeah, let's go. I think it's not good to be running with not everything connected. No brakes. Okay, little bit. Дарю. It's oil or not oil?
Yeah, oil.
Or we got another fire?
Oil on turbo.
Or we got another fire?
Hopefully not, man.
But how the turbo gets so fast? Too hot? It shouldn't be hot so fast, no? Maybe turbo is kaput.
Maybe turbo kaput.
Okay, got something else to work on this car. But at least it's starting, yay! Now we'll have to watch videos at home why the turbos are overheating on Golf R. What are you doing?
Destroying car. Don't question. No, don't show, I'm professional. Trust me, I'm professional, блядь. Стопарик.
Стопарик, сыбис.
More radical.
Yeah. What's up, what's up, what's up? White Mike Tyson here, and we are ready. We can try to start it. I think we connected and installed everything. Let's get this baby down and see. Ooh! Yeah, brake is not there. But brake is not needed, brake is for pussy. Yes? All the gas. Maybe need to error start stop system, coolant check, engine check. Okay, coolant is normal because it's low on coolant. But engine check, tire pressure, loss indicator, error park pilot. Everything is cooked. What the
Tell
fuck?
me what's working better?
Working bonnet. It's showing that bonnet is open, so at least that. But first little rev. Sounds like stock engine. Today we got this car ready and running, so let's fill some coolant and let's go home. Let me get some coolant. We'll be back soon.